Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Sometimes we need a change in our decor, like this bathroom. Maybe a new coat of paint. We're going to swap out this pedestal sink because it doesn't work for us anymore. There's no storage. We're going to replace it with a brand new sink and vanity combination. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. First step of this project, we're going to remove the old sink, but first we want to turn off the hot and cold water supplies. Then remove the hot and cold water lines. Always have a bucket or container nearby to catch the water. Having a towel nearby is handy also. Remove the drain trap. If there's any caulking around the edge of the vanity or sink, score it with a knife so you don't tear the sheetrock paper. Then remove the screws holding the sink or cabinet to the wall and remove the sink and cabinet. At this point of the project, you want to redecorate. Fill all the holes, paint the walls, maybe even put some new flooring down. Before purchasing the vanity, you want to measure your plumbing to make sure it's going to fit. Not all bathroom vanities and sinks are the same. In this circumstance, my vanity came with the sink already installed, so all I need to do is put a new faucet on. Before I install this faucet, I'm going to take off the drawer fronts, make it easier on myself when installing the plumbing. Now I'm going to install the faucet and drain kit. I'm going to reuse the old supply lines from the old pedestal sink to put on my new sink. Before I install the new cabinet and sink, I want to put these supply lines on my faucet. It's going to make it a lot easier. Now I need to move the vanity and sink in place. Make sure it's level. Attach the cabinet to the wall with some screws. Install the supply lines. Install the drain trap. Turn the water back on, check for leaks. Now I need to just put the drawers back in and we're finished. There it is, all finished. Redecorating can be fun and gratifying as long as you take your time and plan well. For more projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.